Transform ordinary charcoal powder into an extraordinary 3D ball. Hello and welcome back to A5 Nahid Blendings. Today we are taking our handmade charcoal powder to the next level. If you missed out my previous video on creating this amazing art supply from scratch, be sure to check it out in the link below. Now, let's dive into today's tutorial. Quickly let's start. I am taking this plain paper, A4 size paper, and fold it into two halves like this. This is a printout paper. You can take any plain paper. Now, draw a circle in between. I am using a bangle to make that circle. You can use a protector also. Now, carefully draw a circle. Like this. Top. Draw a circle like this. Now, cut this circle very carefully with a small scissor. I am using this scissor. See the size of scissor? Don't use big scissor, it will tear your paper. So like this, I am cutting this. Yeah, don't throw this piece, we will use this later. Now, take a charcoal powder and always keep a paper, rough paper, because charcoal will mess everything. Now, take a piece of cotton, using new cotton, dip it, do it side test. Do not jump directly into your main sheet, do a side test. From this side and coming down in a circular motion. So start doing with me like this. In a circular motion we have to do. Very lightly you have to keep powder in your cotton. Always start from the corner and come in between like this. Always start from corner again. So yeah, I'm leaving this portion intentionally because I am assuming that light is coming from left hand side. So I'm leaving this portion. cover all the area Only leave this middle portion and cover except all the area. Like this. Now open your paper. Keep this cutout paper in between. And again take little amount of powder, do a side test and do a straight portion. Again take some powder. I'm creating a shadow of this wall. Now open this very carefully. Now you can rub all the excess powder which you have found in paper like this. Hey, that's it. Your 3D ball is now ready to shine. I am thrilled to see how your 3D balls turns out. Share your artworks in the comment section below. If you like this creation, do like, comment and subscribe for more crazy art tutorials. I appreciate your support. Keep creating and stay inspired.